I'm wondering if having both is a benefit or a drawback, partly because I've heard that some types of sites prefer what I think is called not organic content, native content. And a little curious, like, should I maybe start one for the podcast, also grow your show at the same time? Or should I be focusing on one or the other and putting all my eggs in one basket and watching it like a hawk, like some famous investor had said once before? Should I do both?
I think the one thing you shouldn't do is duplicate all the content. And
wait. The one thing I should not do is duplicate the content?
Yeah, like you shouldn't just have like the same exact information and try to get both of them get bigger.
Okay.
If I think the hardest position to be in would be, hey, I've got a podcast, I have a business, I like them both equally as much, and I want them both to grow at the exact same rate. Most people aren't in that role, right? Most people are like, I have a podcast to support my business, or I have a ebook to support my podcast, or something. Usually it's a little more straightforward. What sometimes people will do is they'll say, they'll basically have on their core website, they'll have like a podcast page. If they want some content about their podcast on their core website, they will then just have you go to it, and it gives a basic overview, and you click it and it takes you to the whole podcast page.